Hello everyone, my name is Ugo. I'm the executive chef at Prego Mediterranean, and tonight we're gonna make, for me actually, maybe a simple dish, but that's because it's late on the evening. I'm not gonna turn on the barbecue. We're gonna do some New York center cut steak in padella, in saute, and we're gonna use some fresh herb, rosemary and sage, and some clove garlic. The final product is gonna be served with sliced tagliata. It's coming from a French Robespierre. He got the head cut off on a Bastille on 1800 and we're going to slice it very thin, and we're going to top it with some arugula salad. All right, stay tuned for the rest of the dish. So we chop some fresh herbs. I like always for my steak and my kitchen fresh herb, not dry, not finely chopped, just a little bit. And after, we're going to clean a garlic clove. We're just going to slice it so we can allow the steak to marinate a little bit with some extra virgin oil, some garlic, just like that. It doesn't have to be fine. In Italian recipe, garlic is very important. All right, so let's go on my pantry. I got some extra virgin oil from Italy, from Taggiasca. We're gonna put it on the steak. See, I already bought a pre-cut. It's about 8 to 10 ounces. So each steak is gonna serve one person, a family. We're just gonna put some herbs like that. And now we're gonna put some fresh pepper. We have all my Alessi's collection from my wife. I'm gonna put some ground fresh pepper, and I like nice and peppery my steak, and some salt. Always double check the salt. We're gonna give a generous sprinkle of salt. I'm gonna put the steak like this one, so it's gonna get coated in both sides. And we're almost ready to put the steak on our saute pan. I'm gonna put some rustic Italian bread on the oven. In the meantime, I have some roasted potato going on. So maybe I can even show you guys what we're doing. Some roasted potato, easy. Roasted potato, salt, pepper, garlic, fresh herbs in the oven at 375 for about 30 minutes. I already put my saute pan, so it should be nice and hot. And we're just gonna put it inside. So they're gonna start seasoning. So we're gonna let it maybe 3 minutes each side. I wish you guys are here with me and smell the garlic and the herbs. You see, I didn't put any extra oil or butter or margarine on the saute, so that's it. Only the extra virgin oil and fresh herb and garlic as a coat, salt and pepper, and that's it. In the meantime, we prepare some wild arugula, and I'm just gonna put some fresh lemon from my garden. A little oil, and we're gonna top the sliced steak on the plate when it's ready to serve. We're gonna put some salt too, and a little pepper. And when we're gonna be ready to put the final dish in the plate, we're gonna shave some Parmesan cheese on top. We're just gonna mix it a little bit, so it's gonna grab the oil and the lemon. I like to clean up after myself to keep the kitchen nice and organized. You see the seasoning in the steak is already changing the color. We're going to leave it another minute, and after we're going to twist it on the other side to get it nice and brown. Like I said, I like my steak with the sear on the pea side and nice and pink inside in the center. I really believe you don't have to put on the grill. When the steak is a nice cut, it's gonna come up excellent also and delicious also this way. Look at that, beautiful. We have the toasted bread, nice and crisp. And I have my finished product, my roasted potato. I'm gonna put it right here. And we're gonna put the steak. I like my a little bit rare, so I put it up before Michelle and Gianluca. So I want to put one steak here. And we're going to cut it like a bio cut, like this one. Nice and thin. You see, with about 10 ounces of steak, you can really have a big meal. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it on a plate. Like that. There you go. This one I'm gonna put a different plate. Steak. It's nice and seared on the side. It's flying around. See, it's cooked on both sides and nice and pink and juicy on the center. I think this one is going to be plenty to finish the steak. I just want to finish one plate. We're going to add some potato. Potatoes are nice and crispy. That's the way I like it. That's it. We're going to grab the arugula. We're going to just gently coat it a little bit. So you're going to stick the steak on the bottom. I'm going to grab a little Parmigiano Reggiano with a small knife or potato peeler, whatever you guys have at home. You just simply put some little pieces on top just to garnish it like that. Right? Not much, not to overwhelm the thing. There you go. I think I have an extra guest for my table tonight, Gigi. Hope you enjoy this simple recipe and be safe and God bless you. See you a Prego sometime soon, I hope. Ciao, buonanotte.